Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have Shay in the studio and her and Peter are doing a little bit of a creative shoot to submit to Live Fast magazine as an editorial. So we thought we would show you a little bit of their shoot, but this is only part of the shoot because the rest of it is too inappropriate for YouTube. So the rest of it will be over on Inspire with a link down below, but we will show you what we can now on YouTube.
So Shay's done the amazing styling for this editorial. I've set up a Octabox up here and I've got tilted away from the wall because I wanted to get this sort of line type of thing in the wall. So I'm using the edge of the Octabox to get that. I'm finding that Shay's a little bit too dark and the bed to me is a little bit too bright. So I want to try and balance them out. So I've got just a little reflector on here, but it's one that got damaged on a plane or something. I don't know what happened, but I've painted inside white so it doesn't have silver on it. And I want to try and use this as close as I can to get a similar shadow being cast from both of these from the same place. Yeah, I want to pop Shay up a bit more, but still keep the moodiness of the shot. If anything, I want to get Shay even brighter, but I don't want the walls to be going that bright. So I might swap it to a silver reflector and put a grid on it. I might just go with a medium-sized grid. Well, I think I'm liking this better. It just needs a little bit more power and I need to lift it slightly. Now, it's definitely a colour balance difference, but I don't care about that. Black and white, we'll take out that. Let's save that and let's go back to where I started. All right, I'm just going to pull the power down. There's a really nice moodiness to the picture before I put the grid on. And I feel with the amount of power I got on it, it's killing my moods too much. Still not loving. I'm going to go to a wider grid, which is going to have a softer vignette. It's also going to let a little bit more light in. So I'm going to turn the power down. Like, I know what I can do. I could very easily just shoot it my original setup with the one light. All right, yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to do a little bit of contrast. I'm going to just slowly put a bit more chrominess in there. Just punch up a little bit of that, a tiny. Yeah, I might just run it like that. Right, let's see what we'll get. You right? So I'm going to start off on the tripod, I think, but then I'm definitely going to come off and just do it. Cool, that's really cool. That's really cool. That's nice, that's nice. Yeah, the reason I'm starting on tripod, I want to get one shot which is showing the whole setup. And then once I'm happy that I've got a shot which is sort of showing all the props that we've got in this and it's set up, I'm then going to handhold and just go around and shoot it more like a fashion editorial. Oh, it's a bit cool. Yeah, I'll just do a couple more, just straight into the camera. So this is just more just showing the set. And I like this sort of slumped back in. That's cool, that's really cool. Cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I reckon I've got my shot of the full setup. I think I'm just going to now get the real pictures. So now you can just do whatever, okay?
Do I have to remind myself of the light?
Nope. No, it's basically wherever I'm shooting from. I'm going to check it every now and then. Like I might do the couple of extremes right now. Yep. Grab. And just see what happens if I shoot across. Cool. cool. I like that. That's cool. Yeah, so that's the extreme, and that's passable. I know this side's going to look fine. Cool. When you're up on these, it's move the light to your chest. When you're up, that's light's now on your chest, not your face.
Yeah. You can be mindful of it for a bit. And then...
No, just the fact that what's doing that is annoying me. That second light was more for the full shot. I don't think I need it for the handheld shooting. So I'm gonna kill that for a minute. I'm going to give us a bit more power on the main light because I don't want you limited. I want you to be able to move everywhere. And as soon as we've got gridded spots on you, we're limiting where you've got to look, what you can do. And I want you to be able to come up on your knees or go lower without it affecting the lighting. Cool. Yeah, so that's cool. If I come over to here, come in there. Cool. Yeah, I can work with that too. I think I'm happy with this. Right, cool. So I'm just going to work around you now. All right. Cool. Cool. That's really cool. I like that. I like that. Look, that's cool. That's really cool. Nice. That's nice, nice, nice. That's really cool. There. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of dodging and burning. That's a problem you have when you're shooting on white, but I'm happy with how these are looking. Cool. Cool. I like that. I like that lot. Cool. That's awesome. Out of focus. Cool. Yeah, I'm liking these. These are got the dark moodiness I want.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. I will pop a link down to Live Fast Mag, and I'll also pop a link to Inspire if you do want to check out the full shoot, and I'll also pop some other videos up on the screen now.